Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a trick on how you can use the blur effect for your virtual background, like the one I'm using right now. So I'm gonna show you on how I can change from being like this, as you can see, a normal background, into something like this. So as you can see with the blur virtual background as I'm using right now, it seems like I'm using an expensive camera like the DSLR or the mirrorless camera. But in fact, I'm using the built-in camera on my computer. So you guys can also do that as well. That is why today I'm gonna share with you what trick should you use in order to use this effect. Actually, I was inspired to use this kind of effect with the one offered by Zoom. If you head to the virtual background, you can see the blur effect from Zoom. This is the built-in blur effect that you can find in the Zoom. However, this one you cannot add this effect onto your image, onto your background, meaning that you can use the original background with this effect. As you can see behind me is the real background that I do not wish to share with everybody. That is why I would like to change the background using the virtual background. But the thing is, how can I make my virtual background to be blurred using this effect? As I mentioned, it's like I'm using an expensive camera. Okay, now let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so with this trick, all you need to do first, you have to go to a website where you can download the virtual background that you want. So the website that I am currently using is the Pexels. This is a free website that you can download the photos that you want. So you might type what's that, bedroom. As you can see, there are lots of bedrooms image that you can find. Maybe you can use this one or you can use this one. It looks nice, but it's vertical. So whatever you like, just choose it. So I would probably choose this one then. Click free download, or you can click on the drop down menu here. So you now can choose different image size. So I would go with 1280 by 720 and then press free download. Yep. So now you have the image. All you need to do next is to open the Adobe Photoshop. So this is a trick, as I mentioned guys, this is a trick. So you need to do something to make it look like the real blurred background, which is made by an expensive lens. Okay guys, so now I have my Photoshop open. I just drop the image onto the Photoshop. What you can do next is, first you can see, don't worry if you don't know how to use the Photoshop, just follow my instructions step by step. Okay, so now on the bottom right here you can see the word layers. So right click on the image. The layer here contains image, so I want you to right click. Okay, right click on the image and then convert to smart object. This is the first thing that I want you to do. Next, all you have to do is to go to filter, blur, then Gaussian blur, and you can look at the preview on this small screen here, or you can look at the real preview on the left. So which one do you think is what you are looking for? But this is too much, okay? So just this one is also too much, or drop it a little bit and press OK. So the reason why I want you to convert that image to smart object is that you can always go back and adjust it if you think it is too much or you need to add more. So as you can see here, you can see smart filters and Gaussian blur. So double click on that, then you can come back to readjust it to whatever the value you are looking for. So probably I would go with 24. Okay, and then I press OK. Next is to click on File, Save As, and choose the location that you want to store that image. Yeah, I will put it in the Downloads folder, and then change the format from Photoshop to JPEG, and then press Save. Oh, so it's overlap, so I'm gonna put that blur. Press Save, then OK. Now I have one blurred background. Go back to my Zoom, head to video, choose virtual background, and then you see plus add image or video, add image, and then add blur. I can add tool so that I can compare the tool for you. Okay, I've just added the tool now. So this is the one that we use with the blur effect from the Photoshop, and this is the original one. As you can see, yeah, they look really different, right? So this is the normal one. Yeah, this is the blurred one. So if you think that the blurred here is not really blur, or it is not the result that you're looking for, come back to the Photoshop and adjust it. Okay, adjust more, increase more value as you like. You see I have lots of blurred photos that I have edited in Photoshop. If you don't have Photoshop, or you don't think that you're good at it, you don't want to do something like this on the Photoshop, don't worry. Check this video description. I can share a bunch of photos, all of these blurred photos with you guys. Okay, so that's it from me. I hope you enjoy learning something new here, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, don't forget to do so. Okay, I can't wait to see you guys in the new tutorial. Okay, see ya.